A good woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market. I tell you more, when you batra kolisa seva, you know more those yaku. When you batra those yaku, always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Blessings of the Lord.
Il faut de la vache plutôt.